What was comedy like when it was first born in ancient Greece? Back then, entertainment was taken seriously. Drama was a way of investigating the world and what it meant to be human. The city of Athens institutionalized theatrical culture by organizing a festival, the city Dionysia, to honor the god Dionysos. In classical Athens, extraordinary ideas were brought to light by philosophers, artists, and statesmen, leaving an indelible mark. Yet Athens was also a great military power involved in two wars, against the Persians and against Sparta during the Peloponnesian War. Playwrights explored these turbulent times, and among them stands out Aristophanes, known for lampooning contemporary Athenians while addressing the most critical issues of his day. The Birds is a story about fleeing from a life of disillusionment and starting afresh. Two men are led to an avian realm where they had to plan to create a new community, Cloud Cuckoo Land. Soon laws are implemented, access to the sky is controlled, and the gods are cut off from their earthly devotees. What initially seems to be a utopia swiftly changes as politics come into play. Still, Aristophanes turns our heads upward to the sky, leaving questions about human nature open-ended, hovering over us, like Cloud Cuckoo Land. Taking flight centuries later, Nikos Karathanos saw a spark, not in the flight towards power, but in fleeing it. In that moment, when a man wants to try out his wings in search of a place where everyone can coexist. In a utopia free from decay, always shining,